Hi, and welcome to the Introduction to Kinematics, a free online-only course offered in the summer of 2015. My name is Jason Harlow, and I'm a professor in the physics department at the University of Toronto. I've taught here for 11 years now, and one of my favorite courses to teach is called Introduction to Physics. This is a large course aimed at science students that are not majoring in physics. Typically, about 75% of the students in this course have already taken a year or two of physics in high school. This Introduction to Kinematics is designed for the 25% of students who did not take high school physics, or for those of you who took it a long time ago or who are just unsure about their physics background. The videos in this Introduction to Kinematics are about 15 minutes each, and they step through a very basic introduction of the most important topics that you would cover during the first few weeks of an introductory physics course. The videos are mostly just PowerPoint slides with content, with my voice somewhere in the background narrating. Occasionally I'll use a little tablet pen to derive some equations. Sometimes I'll do a quick video demonstration. These were all recorded actually last summer when I had a beard, but that's actually me. There's a suggested schedule for watching these videos. I would suggest 2 per week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but you can actually just watch them at the schedule of your choice. For each video, there's at least one example video in which I apply the concepts that I just talked about to solve a problem. The amount of time that you should spend on this little course depends on your comfort level with the material. If everything I'm saying sounds pretty straightforward to you, I recommend you simply watch the lesson videos, and it shouldn't take too long. If you do have more time, definitely download the PDF of the free textbook, College Physics, to which there's a link below, and the first video has a little introduction of how actually to download that and print it, or at least have it on your screen. And if you have the time and you really want to master the material, you can work through the suggested problems from each of the chapters of this free textbook. And for your convenience, I've posted the answers to these problems so that you can check your work. So, there's 2 short online quizzes which I would like you to try. The first one, the midterm, is on August 26th, which is based on the first 5 lessons, and then the final quiz is on September 10th, which is based on all 9 lessons. The questions are pretty straightforward, but you will have to actually work them out, get a calculator, and then type in your answers. The first question actually on each quiz is to ask your email addresses, which is how I will identify you. I will look at what you submit, and if you get over 60% correct for both quizzes, then in September I will email you a little PDF certificate stating that you completed this Introduction to Kinematics. So I hope you enjoy. The quizzes have a spot on them for feedback, so I would really appreciate it if you could type in your comments there so I can improve this course in the future. Also, feel free to send me an email to jharlow@physics.utoronto.ca. If you find any typos or mistakes, or if you have any suggestions or feedback, whether it's positive or negative, I'd really like to hear from you.